All right, so just doing a little more probabilities with a tree diagram here. You can see our initial split is to juniors and seniors, and then of the juniors, 35% are employed, 65 are unemployed. Of the seniors, 55% are employed, and 45% are unemployed. Before answering these questions, see if you remember how to figure out these sort of four end dots, like what are the percentage that you are a junior and employed. So see if you can figure out those numbers quick before continuing. Okay, so to find these, you just multiply the past. So junior and employed is 52% times 35%, which gets you a little bit more than 18%. And then I'm just going to fill in the other ones quick, but this next one would be 52% times 65%. So this one is about almost 34%. This one is about 26%, and this one is a little more than 21%. Okay, so then I'm going to use these four dots to answer all of these. Okay, so again, I would pause the video and try these first, and then unpause to kind of check your answers. So probability that we're employed would just be this dot plus this dot. So it would be the 18.2%, sorry, the handwriting's so bad, plus the 26.4%. About 44.6% are employed. Junior and unemployed. Okay, so that's just one of these dots. So if we follow the path, junior unemployed is this dot, and overall that's 33.8% of our population. Right, so these are just the and dots, and they do total 100% because everyone should fall in one of those dots, at least in this survey. Okay, and now for the conditional probability. So a couple hints is this says probability you're senior, letter C here, given that you're employed. So the given that is always the bottom. So the bottom here is going to be all the employed people, which is what we actually did in letter A. So our bottom is going to be those two dots added together, this one and this one. Those are our two employed dots. Okay, so out of those two dots, out of those two employed dots, the ones that are seniors would be this dot down here. So the probability that you're a senior given that you're employed would be those two things divided. Right, so you put all the employed people here, and then out of those employed people, which ones are seniors? All right, maybe a little different color for letter E. So this one's real similar. It's senior given that they're unemployed. So my bottom is all the unemployed people, right? So it would be, let's see, this one and this one. So you'd add those together. These are all the freeloaders living off their parents. I'm just kidding. There's lots of reasons why you might not have a job. Okay, and so out of those unemployed people, the ones that are seniors are this one. So that would be the chance that you're a senior given that you're unemployed. Okay, and then let's see. So D, we can actually use the bottom number the same because this is, again, given that you're unemployed. So the bottom here would be all the unemployed people again. So add those two together. And then out of those unemployed, which ones are juniors this time? So the junior number was the 338. So D and E are really similar, except you're looking at the seniors amongst the unemployed, and here you're looking at the juniors amongst the unemployed. Okay, last one then, maybe I'll do a different color just to mix it up here. So junior, given that you're employed. So here I want to, my bottom's going to be the unemployed or the employed numbers, which are these two. That was actually letter A up here. So my bottom number is the employed people. And out of those employed people, which ones are juniors? And so that would be this one up here. So it would be those two numbers divided. And I'm not going to divide them all out. You really can if you want, but hopefully that gives you the concept at least of what a conditional probability means. All right, that is it. Thanks for watching.